welcome back to ramscad YouTube channel. So today we are going to make two sheet metal parts. We'll assemble the part and then convert it to DXF file for the laser cutting. Alright, so let's start making the part. We'll just make small parts. So the first part will be like this. I'll choose 2 mm as thickness and bend reduction will be 3.6 mm. A bend of 150 mm. Alright, so this is 100 into 100 and this is 100 into 150. I'll save this part. Let's make it part 1. I'll make another part. The second part will be 104 100 minus minus 2 again 2 mm thickness and 2 bends here. This will be 150 minus 2. I'll tell you why I have selected 150 minus 2 mm when I'll assemble the part. So let's say the second part is part number 2. So let's assemble the part. Part 1 and 2. So this is one part and this is the part number 2. I'll assemble the part. I'll choose the bottom face of the C and the top face of this L sheet. Again this face and this one. Alright, now this face and this one. So you see, this is now V here. See, everywhere the welding is need to be done, there's a V, except this place, right? So why here the V is good and here we were not able to make the V because the box size is actually 150 mm and the L bend on this part is also 150 mm. So we'll have to reduce this length by 2 mm. Let's make this minus 2. Now see, here also we got the V. So on every edges where the welding is needed or required, we got the V, which will provide a strength to the part, strength to this box. Alright, so we're done making the parts. Now I'll convert these both parts to the DXF file. I'll open the part first. This is part number 2. just flatten this part. Alright, see, flattening is very easy, just a click. Now right click on the face, export to DXF, save as part number 2 mm, and just one piece in assembly, right? Save. I'll choose sheet metal, and I'll not choose any other feature from this because we don't want the hidden lines, bend lines, sketch, or any kind of forming tool or features is not there, so I'll not choose out. Although if we choose the bend line, both bend line will appear in the DXF. That will cause problem to the laser cutting, not actually in the laser cutting, but once the DXF is shared to the laser cutting, that line will also be there, and that can create a cut on the part, so we'll not choose the bend line. Okay, now I'll go with OK, and it will show how the DXF looks like. It's just a rectangle like here, like we don't wanted the bend line, right? So I'll choose save. Right, I'll unflatten the part, go back, choose another part, again flatten the part, right click on the face, export to DXF, save as part number 1, 2 mm and 1 NOS. That means one quantity in a set. Save. Select sheet metal. OK. Again it is showing the part. I'll choose save. Now we are done saving the sheet metal parts into the DXF, and now both parts are ready for the laser cutting. You can go back to the folder where you have saved the parts. So I have this one here. You will see part number 1 SolidWorks file, part number 1 DXF file, that is AutoCAD, and this DXF is compatible with laser cutting. Part number 2 again SolidWorks part document, SolidWorks part document, and part number 2 mm 1 NOS with DXF file. Alright, so that's how we convert the sheet metal file from SolidWorks to DXF for laser cutting or any other process. Alright, thank you for watching the video.